Hi all, just thought you'd like to see a game creation tool that came out in 2005. It's had a lot of updates since then. The developers have actually moved on to an enhanced version of it, but the old version is still active, and I believe it's a free download. It's called FPS Creator. I've got it installed on machine, and the latest version applied. So what I'll do is I'll just give you a brief tour and then show you a demonstration game I created. So it's an easy to use interface. That's the main grid there, and just briefly touch on the elements. So segments is actually called rooms and walls and scenery as well. Select a room, just place it in the grid like so. Simple as that. There are various model packs, segment packs and items that you can download for free. So that's segments, and then you've got what they call entities, so that's like characters. You can add gaming scripts. Well, we've got API file. Now, I will go into some detail about this application in another video, but that's just a brief tour of the application as it stands. So what I'll do is I'll run the demonstration game and let me know what you think in the comments. So it's quite an old engine, but it's easy to use, and it's if done right, it's quite effective. The forum's still active, so there's always somebody that will answer any queries.